I am going to remind you motherfuckers time and time again until the end of time. You are not manifesting. You are reminding yourself of the truth. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, I'm going to be talking about the fact that you are not manifesting. We are living in the reality that of your manifestation, meaning you want to be a millionaire. You are reminding yourself that you are a millionaire. You are not manifesting to be a millionaire. There is nothing to manifest. We are being in the state. We are living that life already because we are knowing that it is already done. So I'm going to be drilling that in your head today. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I'll be offering collective coaching. If you have any questions for me, this is your chance. You'll be guided through your situation in depth by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. The thing is, I found myself to channel the exact answer that each baddie needs. Come to find out, that was exactly what they needed to hear. They followed my instructions that were tailored specifically to them, and bam, they got their manifestation instantly. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, you are more than welcome to join my Patreon. It is the exact same program. The link will be in the description box. So a lot of you guys are manifesting to get something, right? And I want you to constantly remind yourself that we are not manifesting anything. We know what we want. As soon as we decide, it is already ours. So we are not manifesting anything. We are being in the state of the wish fulfilled. No matter what the circumstance, no matter what the outcome is, everything is leading you to your manifestation. I see these questions from my members only all of the time, where they say that they want an SP or they want financial freedom, right? A simple mindset shift from manifesting from the point of view of already having this thing and reminding yourself that you have this versus sitting there in a place of lack or wanting and being like, I don't have this and I'm manifesting this currently, is all that matters. Every single time that you are manifesting, I want you to, instead of writing I want, or instead of being like, here I am manifesting all of these things, I want you to operate under the guise of I already have this thing, to the point where you feel a little bit uncomfortable because it feels like you're lying to yourself. It feels like you're lying to other people, but you're not, because you have this thing. I had moments where I was splurging and buying things for myself, and I was counting up all of the things that I bought during my Europe trip, and I started having a little bit of a panic moment, right? And then I'm like, hold on, Rita, how many times have you had something and then you were like, I'm scared it's all just gonna go away, right? So it's so important to have this mindset shift, because even if it does come in your 3D reality, unless you change what happens up here, you might get it and then it might literally fade away, or you'll lose it, or something else, because your mindset shift didn't change to I have this, undeniably, unshakably, no matter what, I have this, right? So it's not about reaching and attaining this level. It's about you in this present moment right now, reminding yourself that I have this thing right now. I can literally buy anything that I want, anything that I'm inspired to buy, and I'm not going to be affected by it. In fact, I'm going to be earning double, triple, whatever it is that I just bought. I will be so effing for real with you right now because I don't hold back. During the Europe trip, I gained weight. I didn't go to the gym. I haven't been going to the gym for a while now, since February 2023, and I've been eating a lot. I mean, come on, I was in Italy for like 2 or 3 weeks having gelato every single day, pizza, like the works. And although I was manifesting, I am insert weight here, I am insert weight here, I kept on gaining weight. Now, what am I going to do? Am I going to stop eating? Am I going to stop doing what it is that I want to do? Am I going to stop manifesting? Am I going to start going to the gym? No, I am going to decide again and again for myself. I am going to choose to be the person that I want to be right now. No matter the circumstances, no matter what I'm seeing in my 3D, it is not my job to ask, but why? But I've been manifesting, but it doesn't matter, but nothing. The only thing that matters is what is going on up in here. So I don't give a fuck what hasn't worked, what has worked. I know without a shadow of a doubt that if I keep it in my mind's eye, then it is mine right now, and I'm not manifesting from a place of being this way, wanting to be a specific way. I am manifesting in terms of I am this way. I am reminding myself that I am this way. So how could I possibly be asking myself, but why hasn't it worked? But why did I eat this much in Europe? I'm just gonna be like, yeah, I'm this way, blah, blah, blah. I came back and my parents were like commenting on my weight, right? That is 3D circumstances. That's not nice to hear, right? But it literally went past over my head, and I was laughing on the inside because I was like, they're literally making things up. Like, I am this way. I love my body. Everything is amazing. And I wasn't saying that from a place of lack, trying to convince myself, trying to make myself feel better. It is the simple practice of just being in this present moment, holding firm in your belief that you are this way. Can't no one tell me shit. Sorry. You can tell me all day long, all the live long day, that I've gained weight on my Europe trip. This thing happened, that thing happened. I don't care. I don't care about the 3D circumstances. I am going to do exactly what I want to do because I deserve to be happy, because I am my perfect weight. So why do I need to keep up appearances? I get every single thing that I want, and everything is happening best case scenario for me. So why will I be running in a hole, like starving myself or eating healthy or going to the gym, when everything starts from my mind? I am controlling every single thing, and again, it is not my job to understand, but why is it showing up in my 3D? I don't give a shit. You know why? Because that shit did not happen. You know why? Because I am in the present moment. I am being that of the person who weighs insert weight here. So the same thing can be said about financial freedom, or your SP, or your studies, or friends. Literally anything. It doesn't matter what people say. It doesn't matter what people do. Not even you. Not even what you believe or the doubts that you have. You know why? Because you are physically being. Do you understand what that fucking means? You are being right now in this current 3D reality. The person who has your SP, who has financial freedom, who has money, who has this weight, who has this career, who has this clear skin, who has this age, who has this height. So I don't give a shit how it's going to conspire in my 3D reality. As far as I'm concerned, it is in my 3D reality because I decided that I am in this fucking body right now. I am in the present moment. I am here, and it is whatever the fuck I say it is right now. So stand the fuck up and don't manifest shit. We are being that of our desire. We are already there. It's done. We have it. We are not manifesting shit. I want to change my YouTube channel to this is just a channel of being. We are fucking being, and we are living our best lives now. We are manifesting shit. We have this thing right now. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone!